How's it going, everyone? This is Sam with the Droning Company. I'm here with Benson from Tattu. Now, I'm most familiar with your products from the FPV side of things, the Tattu R-Line series of batteries, but it looks like you guys have a variety of different things here today, from slightly smaller batteries up to larger stuff. So give me a quick rundown of what you guys have going on here today.
Sure. So this show is more targeted to commercial drones. So the batteries you saw on the table is more designed for the commercial drone,
Absolutely.
the heavy lifting, such as we cooperate with, let's say, Free Fly System, Inspire Flight, and all other local drone manufacturers. So the batteries you can see is more larger than FPVs.
Yes,
I mean,
absolutely.
it's anywhere from 6S to 12S. So we have a kind of standard basic battery pack, and we also have a kind of smaller version. The smaller version is more talking about the CAN bus, the data log, and also have a kind of storage mode and all field gauge things. So it's kind of higher level than the FPV batteries.
Yes.
So the special thing we are promoting right now is kind of new things. So we call it NMC chemistry. It's kind of new chemistry we designed for this commercial drone industry. So the major advantage is the higher energy density.
Okay.
So this one is rated at 5C, and we also have 10C rated available.
Wow.
The energy density is around 275 watt-hour per kilogram. So which is, I believe, is about 30% more energy density compared with the general lithium cobalt.
Okay.
So which you can get longer flight time.
Yeah.
But of course, I mean, just like I say, it's only rated at 5C or 10C. I wish we can build it higher for the FPV racers, then you can get also more flight time. So, but it's kind of very light, I mean, durable, and also higher cycle life. I mean, that's something we are promoting. That's something new we are released this show.
Yeah. So for these, the larger smart batteries, I guess, can you give me an example of what, like a use case for those?
Sure. So let's say, let me get a sample here. So this one is a 16,000 12S. So it's a rated 15C. So people use two of them in parallel, let's say for Inspire Flight or Free Flight system, let's say the Ultra X.
Okay.
So the difference is it comes with a heavy-duty connector. It has a CAN bus communication pins right here. So you can connect to your flight controller, and then you can get a real-time data from the battery. So you can check the state of charge, and the temperature, the discharge current, the voltage, everything. So it's more regarding make you more feel comfortable. I mean, to fly the battery, you can get the real-time data to see how is the voltage instead of checking the battery personally. So you can get the information from your ground station, your controller, and then that's how make it smart.
Very cool. So if someone wanted to get more information about Tattu, where can they go to find some more information?
So we have a general site, it's genstattu.com. There's a retail site, and you can also go to the website, go to the contact page, then you're able to send us an email. And then there's a phone number, you can always feel free to call us. We have a warehouse in Germany, we have a warehouse in US. Everything we have is in stock, local.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much.
All right.
Appreciate you giving me a rundown here. So again, this is Tattu. Check them out. Very cool products.
Thank you.